press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello children, welcome to social science class. Okay, let us recap what we had discussed in the last class. Did women have a revolution? When was women got the right to vote power? 1946. And next, what were the major works of women? The first one is seamstresses, laundresses, sold flowers, fruits, vegetables at the market, were employed as domestic servants in house of prosperous people. And next to the revolutionary government, what were the major facilities which were given by revolutionary government to women? Divorce was made legal. And next one is creation of state schools. Schooling was made compulsory for all girls. Their father could no longer force them into marriage against their will. Marriage was made into a contracted, enter into freely and registered under civil law. Divorce was made legal and could applied for by both men and women could no train for jobs, could become artists and run small business. All these factors have been discussed in the last class. Next, we shall discuss in this session, we are going to discuss the abolition of slavery. Abolition of slavery. Slavery, which means a person who is controlled by another person, who is forced to work by another country. That is called as slavery. One of the most revolutionary social reforms of the Jacobin regime was the abolition of slavery in the French colonies. Here, what was the major social reforms of Jacobean clubs? That was abolition of slavery in French colonies. The colonies in the Caribbean. And next one is Martinique. And next one is Guadeloupe. What were the colonies of French? The first one is Caribbean. The first one is Caribbean. And next one is Martinique. Next to Guadeloupe. Okay, these were the three colonies which belonged to French, were important supplies of commodities such as tobacco. Okay, where were there? The colonies in the Caribbean. These colonies which belonged to French. Caribbean, this is another Caribbean island which beside of North America, which belongs to North America, the Caribbean island. What is Caribbean island? West Indian islands, the region of America. The West Indian island, the region of America. America the Caribbean island. What were the Caribbean islands? Here also Martinique, Guadeloupe, and next one is San Domingo. The first one is Caribbean island, next Martinique, next Guadeloupe, next one is San Domingo. 4 colonies which were established in the Caribbean island. Okay, what were the 4 colonies of French in the Caribbean island? Martinique, Guadeloupe, and San Domingo were important supplies of commodities such as tobacco, indigo, sugar, and coffee. The first one is tobacco. Next to sugarcane. ಟೊಬ್ಯಾಕೊ, ಶುಗರ್ ಕೇನ್, ಇಂಡಿಗೋ, ಕಾಫಿ. These commodities were important supplies of commodities such as tobacco, which means tobacco. Next indigo means ನೀಲಿ. ಉಜಾಲ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಮನೇಲಿ ನೀಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ, ಮೊದಲೆಲ್ಲ ಬಟ್ಟೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನೀಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ನೀಲಿ ಕಲರು. ಟೊಬ್ಯಾಕೊ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಇಂಡಿಗೋ, ಶುಗರ್ ಕೇನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಶುಗರ್ ಕೇನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, sugar, indigo, coffee. These commodities were exported from Caribbean island to French. Year from year to year. French. Okay na? From year to year. Commodities such as tobacco, indigo, sugarcane and coffee. What were the commodities exported from Caribbean island to French? The first one is tobacco, next indigo, sugar and coffee. But the reluctance of Europeans to go and work in distant and unfamiliar lands made a shortage of labor on the plantations. The first, one of the major problem, reluctant which means hesitated. They hesitated to go and work out, or work overseas. Andre distant places and unfamiliar lands, which means all the slaves, all the Europeans, they hesitated to go to Caribbean. Hesitated ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಜರಿಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಕ್ಕೆ? Distant and unfamiliar lands. But the reluctance of Europeans to go and work in distant and unfamiliar places. Those who were hesitated, the Europeans were hesitated. Why did they hesitate? Because Europeans to go and work in distant unfamiliar lands amid a shortage. Okay, because they hesitated to work distance which means far away, ದೂರ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಅನ್ಫೆಮಿಲಿಯರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ, ಅಂದರೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕಂಫರ್ಟಬಲ್ ಆಗದೇ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ದೇ ವುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಟು ವರ್ಕ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಅನ್ಕಂಫರ್ಟಬಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೆರಿಬಿಯನ್ ಸಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ unfamiliar lands meant a shortage of labor on the plantations. Here shortage of labor, there was a problem which arose, a shortage of labor on plantations of Caribbean Sea. Plantations. Okay, so a shortage of labor on the plantation. Why was a shortage of labor on the plantations? One more question. There was a problem which was arising in the plantations of Caribbean Sea. Illondu problem ಏನಾಯಿತು? ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ಆಯಿತು. The problem was created. What was the problem? A shortage of labor. The labor had to work in the islands and they exported commodities such as tobacco, indigo, sugar and coffee. They wanted to work here, but they hesitated to work, reluctant to work, to go out on distant places and unfamiliar places. That's why it is created. Why was created the problem of shortage of labor on the plantations? Because all the Europeans to go and work in distant and unfamiliar. The reluctance of Europeans to go and work in distant and unfamiliar lands meant a shortage of labor on the plantations. ಅವರು ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ರಿಲಕ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹಿಂಜರಿಕೆ ಆಯಿತು, ನಾವು ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ ಹೊರಗೆ ಅಂತಂದೇಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದೇ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೋ ಔಟ್. ಹಂಗೆ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಧರ್ಮಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ದಂಗೆ ವಿ if we go out, if we go unfamiliar land, if we go distant lands, we definitely cheated to the our God, their belief, their superstitions. That's why they did not go to unfamiliar place and distant place. So there was a created of shortage of labor on the plantations, shortage of labor on the plantations. So this was made by a triangular slave trade between Europe, Africa and America. This was made the shortage of labor, and next this was made a triangular slave trade between Europe, Africa and America. Here Europe, this is okay, this is Europe, Africa, and next to Europe, Africa and America. This was made a triangular shape of slave, trading of slave between Europe, America and Africa. Why was made by a triangular slave trade between Europe, Africa and America? ಇವುಗಳ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗುಲರ್ ಸ್ಲೇವ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಸ್ಲೇವ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್, ವಿಚ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಲೇವ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಂಗಾದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಲೇವ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ವಿಚ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೇಲಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಲೇವ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಮನುಷ್ಯರನ್ನು ಮಾರಾಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಸ್ಲೇವರ್ಗಳನ್ನು. ದ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೇಲಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಒನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಟು ಅನದರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್, ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಲೇವ್. ಮನುಷ್ಯರನ್ನು ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ನೋ, ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸೇಲಿಂಗ್, ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬೈಯಿಂಗ್, then human being also was selling and next transporting from one place to another place. ಅಂದರೆ ಮನುಷ್ಯರನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. That's why it was made by a triangular shape. This is North America, that is Europe, this is Africa. Okay na? Why was made by a triangular slave trade between North America, Europe and Africa? Because shortage of labor on plantation. They seeked to another area, they wanted labors ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋದ್ರು. 3 ಕಾಂಟಿನೆಂಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಸ್ಲೇವ್ ಟ್ರೇಡಿಂಗ್ ವಾಸ್ ಡೆವಲಪಿಂಗ್. That's why it created the triangular shape of slave trading between North America, Europe and Africa. One more question, why was met by a triangular slave trade between Europe? Because shortage of labor on plantation. Why was shortage of labor on plantation created? Because all the Europeans to go and work in distant places, okay. The first question is shortage of labor. Why was shortage of labor on plantation created? The reluctance of Europeans, andre means the hesitated of Europeans to go and work in unfamiliar and distant places. It created shortage of labor on plantation. So it created triangular shape, a slave trading triangular shape. Between triangular shape. It created triangular shape slave trade between Europe, Africa and America. The slave trade began in the 17th century. French merchant sailed from the port of Bordeaux and Nantes to Africa coast. Here, how was slave trading going on? The slave trade. When was slave trading started? In the year of 17th century. When was started? 17th century. It was started in the 17th century. How was it going on? The first, the French merchants sailed from ports of Bordeaux and Nantes. Bordeaux and Nantes of the, here is the France, Bordeaux and Nantes are the wine fort ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ, wine ports. Bordeaux and Nantes to African coast. ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ರ ಅವು ಏನು ಸೇಲರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಸೇಲರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಚ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದಿ Bordeaux and Nantes, they were carrying the slaves from Bordeaux and Nantes of French coast to African coast ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ತಗೊಂಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. They were bringing the slaves from Bordeaux and Nantes of France port to African coastಗೆ ತರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, where they bought slaves from local chieftains, branded and shackled. where they bought ಸ್ಲೇವ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಏನು ತಗೊಂಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಬಾಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಂಡ್ಕೊತ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ದೇ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಲೇವ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಲೋಕಲ್ ಚಿಪ್ಟೈನ್ಸ್ ಯಾರು ಅಂದರೆ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಪಾಳೆಗಾರ, ಅಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಲೋಕಲ್ ರೂಲರ್ಸ್. ಬ್ರಾಂಡೆಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಶಕಲ್ಡ್, ತುಂಬ ಬ್ರಾಂಡೆಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಶಕಲ್ಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ದ ಚೈನ್ ದಟ್ ವರ್ ಶಕಲಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೆಗ್ಸ್. ಶಕಲಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಬಂಧಿಸಿರ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂಥ ಸ್ಲೇವ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು, ದೇ purchased, branded and shackled. The slaves were packed tightly into a ships. The slaves were packed tightly into ships for 3 months long voyage across the Atlantic to the Caribbean Sea. Here from African coast ಆಯಿತು, next to 3 months voyage on the Atlantic Ocean. This is Atlantic Ocean, North Atlantic Ocean, South Atlantic Ocean. This is Indian Ocean. I think you know that. Next, this one is Pacific Ocean. Okay na? 3 months long voyage. The slaves, shackled and branded slaves, were packed tightly packed and voyage. Long voyage of 3 months. 3 ತಿಂಗಳು from France to Caribbean Sea. This is the Caribbean Sea. From France to Caribbean Sea. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಅವನ್ನ, they were tightly packed into ships for a 3-month long voyage across Atlantic Ocean. This is Atlantic Ocean. Across Atlantic Ocean to Caribbean Sea. Across Atlantic Ocean to Caribbean Sea. They were sold to plantation owners. There was a plantation owners. ಇಲ್ಲಿ plantation owners ಇದ್ರು. All the sailors of French, the sailors of Africa ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ, they were carrying the slaves from France to Africa, and they were coming to Caribbean islands, and they sold to ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದು, plantation owners. The exploitation of slave labor made it possible to meet the growing demand in European markets of sugar. Here, the exploitation of labor made it, ಇವ್ರನ್ನ ಭಾಳ ಏನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೋಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದು. The slaves were exploited by plantation owners. Made it possible to meet the growing demand in European markets of sugar. They wanted sugar, coffee and indigo. How did they come? ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದು? How were they coming? How were they exporting? They were exporting from Caribbean Sea. It was made by slaves. ಸ್ಲೇವ್ಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿಂದ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅವರ ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಏನಾಯಿತು, ಈಡೇರಿತು. ದೇರ್ ಕನ್ಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಶುಗರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಫಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಂಡಿಗೋ. ಹಂಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರ್ತವೆ? ದ ಶುಗರ್, ಕಾಫಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಂಡಿಗೋ were grown by slaves of Caribbean Sea in European markets of sugars, coffee and indigo. Port cities like Bordeaux and Nantes owed their economic prosperity to the flourishing slave trade. Nodri, here there are 2 ports. The first one is Bordeaux and Nantes. These ports were famously known as slave trading port. Which were the 2 ports were called as slave trading port? Bordeaux and Nantes owed their economic prosperity, ಅಲ್ಲಿನ ಪ್ರಾಸ್ಪರಿಟಿ ಯಾರಿಂದ ತುಂಬಿತು? ಫ್ಲೋರಿಶಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಲೇವ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್. ದೇರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಎ big business was taking place in the board and 90s of France. Okay, and next, throughout the 18th century there was a little criticism of slavery in France. Not 18th century, which means 1700 to 1800, there was a little criticism ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. The little criticized by the people about the slaves in France. The National Assembly held long debates about whether the rights of man should be extended to all French subjects, including those in the colonies. ಏನಂತ National Assembly? When was National Assembly came into existence? When did National Assembly come into existence? 1799 July 20. After the National Assembly held a long debates about whether the rights of man should be extended to all French subjects, including those in the colonies. Andre means rights of man, not only it is the rights of man was not only given to all men and citizens of men and women of France, and also we have to give, they think ಅವರು ಏನು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, we have to give extended to all French subjects, including those in the colonies. ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಲೋನೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಫ್ರೆಂಚು, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೂಡ we have to give rights, we have to give rights of man should be extended to all French subjects, including those in colonies. Subject ಅಂದರೆ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಯಾರು ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಗೆ, they were subjected by the exploitation by the French plantation owner, ಅವರಿಂದ ಶೋಷಣೆಗೆ ಒಳಗಾಯಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ. We also have to give rights of man to them those who were the slaves of colonies, Caribbean, Guadeloupe, next Martinique. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಕೊಡಬೇಕಂತೇಳಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದರು, ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಡಿಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಎನಿ ಲಾಸ್. ಇನ್ ದ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಅಸೆಂಬ್ಲಿ ದೇ ಥಾಟ್ we have to provide a right of man, not only extended French citizens, and also we have to extend the laborers, those who were belonged to France. ಯಾರು ಸೇರಿದ್ರು ಅವರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಫ್ರಾನ್ಸನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಏನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು, ರೈಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕಂತ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಡಿಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಎನಿ ಲಾ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಲಾ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಫಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಅಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್, ಇದು ಬಲವಾದ ಹೆದರಿಕೆ ಬಂತು, ಅಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್, because they wanted money through slave trading. If the slave trading had been stopped, we will be lost. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ದೇ ಅಪೋಸ್ಡ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಲೇವ್ ಟ್ರೇಡಿಂಗ್, whose incomes depended on the slave trade. Those who businessman, they opposed. Why did they oppose? Because whose income based on the slave trading. Whose income? The businessman income based on the slave trading. It was finally convention which in 1794 legislated to free all slaves in the French overseas positions. Okay. When was slave trade abolished? Slave trade abolished in 1794. This is very important. When was slave trade abolished? 1794. Finally, convention which government? The convention of directory government was cancelled. The slave convention which in 1794. Which government? Directory government was abolished the slave trading in 1794, legislated to free all slaves in French overseas positions. Overseas, which means ಸಮುದ್ರದ ಆಚೆಗೆ ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೋ, overseas. This is another see overseas. Those who were stayed in the overseas, if they belonged to France, today onwards they will be free. ಅಂದರೆ ಅವರು ಫ್ರೀ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಯಾರು ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟು? ದ ಫ್ರೆಂಚ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ abolished the slavery system. This, however, turned out to be a short measure. This is one of the short measure. After the 10 years, 1804, already Napoleon, who came to power France, Then here Napoleon introduced again slavery system. Again Napoleon introduced the slavery system. Plantation owners understood their freedom as including the right of enslave African Negroes in pursuit of their economic interest. Plantation owner ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯಿತು, their freedom as including the right to enslave African Negroes, which means pursuit, try, enslave, make slaves. What was their ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೀಡಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? Understood their freedom. Whose freedom? A plantation owner freedom as including the right to enslave African Negroes. African Negroes. We have to convert the African Negroes into slavery. Enslave, which means make slaves. ಯಾರನ್ನ businessman, they enslave the African Negroes into slaves. Pursuit, which means try to their economic interest. Slavery was finally abolished in French colonies in 1848. When was finally slavery system abolished in France? 1848. Negroes in pursuit of their economic interest. Andre means Negroes ಗಳು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿಂದ, ಅವರು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿಂದ, their economic interest ಯಾರ್ದು? Plantation owner. And next, slavery was finally abolished in French colonies in 1848. When was finally French slavery system abolished? 1848. Next, new words. Negroes andre ಏನು? A term used for indigenous people. Negroes is one of the type of race, indigenous people of Africa south of the Sahara. It's derogatory term, it in common use any longer. Next, emancipation, the act of freeing. Emancipation, which means act of freeing. Okay, I hope you have understood how was slavery abolished. The first time it was abolished in the which government? National Assembly in 1792, but it was not abolished due to the oppression, due to the opposement of businessmen, because whose trade was based on the slavery trade. Next, second time, when was it abolished? 1794. But Napoleon reintroduced the slavery system in 1804. But finally it was abolished in 1848. This is the slavery system. And next, let us continue with the revolution and everyday life. I hope you have understood the abolition of slavery. How was slavery system going on? ಹೇಗೆ ನಡೀತಾ ಇತ್ತು? How was slavery system taken place? In the slave trade began in 17th century. A French merchant sailed from African coast, from Bode and Nane to African coast, where they bought slaves from local chieftains, branded and shackled. The slaves were tightly packed. A 3 months of voyage. Finally they reached Caribbean Sea. Like this, the slave trading was taken place between these three triangulars, which Europe, Africa and North America. Okay, North America. Next, 1 mark question. Who supplied the tobacco, indigo and sugar and coffee? The islands of Caribbean, Montesco, Guadeloupe and San Domingo. Okay, and next a shortage of labor on the plantations. It was created. Why? The reluctance of Europeans to go and work in distant and unfamiliar lands. Next, why was met by a triangular slave trade between Europe, Africa and America? Why was it created? Because there was a shortage of labor on the plantations. It was created a triangular shape between Europe, America and Africa. Okay, I hope you have understood. Simple. This is the abolition of slavery. How was it and how was it abolished? Thank you.